Where did it stop the last time?
Bakit ka nakatulala?
Recruitment and placement? Yung concept lang.
Yung license and then authority.
Kaya yung definition ng license yan.
Opo.
Let's go on this word. By the way, my apologies for last Friday. I wasn't able to come. I was heavily stressed out by the currents of the events. I got sick last Friday, that's why I wasn't able to come.
After not here naman din.
May program. May event? Ayaw. Yeah, it's okay. Anyway,
Nalaglag yung Volcan ko, di pa pala kinuha. Ngayon na.
tingnan dito. Before I go into that, okay, your assignment. Assignment. Yes, because I won't be meeting you on a Friday. The wedding of my friend is on a Friday. Huh? Yeah, everything was already set up and it's really a good one. I'm much more excited. Gagawin na naiyak na.
Ha?
Okay. Naiyak ako sa dami ng gagawin. But it's really good because my skills are being honed and developed because of that event. Yeah, there's so many things. And yeah, even purposely na lang dami ng mga friends na I even have a fashion designer friend who gave he's already showcasing his designs in the Philippine Fashion Week. He gave his 30,000 suit for me with a cost of 7,000. So